Have you ever wondered what could happen if you drank a simple glass of okra water before going to sleep? Most people see okra as just another vegetable sitting in the grocery store. But what if I told you that this humble plant contains nutrients and natural compounds that may support your body in ways most people never expect? While you're sleeping, your body is hard at work repairing cells, balancing hormones, regulating blood sugar, and recovering from the stress of the day. And surprisingly, some people believe that drinking okra water before bed may help support several of these important processes. But here's the interesting part. Not all of the benefits people talk about are obvious, and some of them might completely change the way you look at this simple nighttime drink. Today, we're going to explore 8 surprising things that may happen inside your body when you drink okra water before bed, starting with one benefit that has attracted the attention of researchers and health experts around the world. One of the most talked about benefits of okra water is its potential ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. Now, this doesn't mean it's a miracle cure, but the science behind it is definitely interesting. Okra contains a special type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water. As this fiber moves through your digestive system, it may slow down the absorption of carbohydrates from the foods you've eaten throughout the day. That slower absorption can help prevent dramatic spikes in blood sugar levels. For many people, keeping blood sugar more stable overnight is important because large fluctuations can affect energy levels, hunger, and even how refreshed they feel the next morning. Researchers have also identified plant compounds in okra that may support insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to use glucose more efficiently. While more studies are still needed, these findings have made okra water increasingly popular among health-conscious individuals. But blood sugar support is only one piece of the puzzle. Because once digestion enters the picture, the potential benefits become even more interesting. As your body settles into sleep, your digestive system continues working behind the scenes. This is where okra's unique texture may actually become an advantage. The natural mucilage found in okra creates that slippery consistency many people notice when cooking it. While some people dislike that texture, your digestive system may appreciate it. This gel-like fiber can help food move more smoothly through the digestive tract while also supporting healthy gut bacteria. A healthier gut environment may contribute to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and more regular bowel movements. Many people don't realize that digestive health affects far more than just the stomach. It can influence energy levels, immune function, and even mood. Drinking okra water before bed may provide gentle digestive support during the hours when your body is already focused on repair and recovery. And speaking of recovery, there's another major system that may benefit from the nutrients found inside okra. Your heart works around the clock, beating thousands of times every single day without taking a break. That's why supporting cardiovascular health is so important. Okra contains fiber, antioxidants, and minerals that are associated with heart health. The soluble fiber found in okra may help reduce the amount of cholesterol absorbed by the digestive system. Lower cholesterol levels are often linked to a healthier cardiovascular profile over time. Okra also contains potassium, an important mineral that helps support normal blood pressure regulation. In addition, its antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can place strain on blood vessels and other tissues throughout the body. While no single food can guarantee a healthy heart, small healthy habits repeated consistently can have a meaningful impact over the years. And one habit many people overlook is something incredibly simple: staying properly hydrated. It's easy to underestimate the importance of hydration, especially during the evening. Many people finish their day slightly dehydrated without even realizing it. By drinking okra water before bed, you're not only consuming beneficial plant compounds, you're also helping your body maintain healthy fluid levels. Proper hydration supports circulation, temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and countless other biological functions. During sleep, Your body continues carrying out critical maintenance processes that depend on adequate hydration. Even mild dehydration can affect how you feel the next morning, sometimes leading to fatigue, headaches, or reduced concentration. Maintaining good hydration may help your body perform these overnight tasks more efficiently. But hydration alone isn't the whole story. The nutrients carried within that water may provide another layer of support that becomes especially important while you're asleep. Every single day, your body is exposed to free radicals. These unstable molecules are produced naturally during metabolism, but factors like pollution, stress, and poor dietary choices can increase their numbers. Over time, excessive free radical activity may contribute to oxidative stress, which can affect cellular health. This is where antioxidants become incredibly valuable. Okra contains several antioxidant compounds, including polyphenol and flavonoids, that help neutralize these unstable molecules. Think of antioxidants as part of your body's defense team, helping protect cells from unnecessary damage. Since many of the body's repair processes become more active during sleep, consuming antioxidant-rich foods and beverages may help support those natural recovery mechanisms. And when your cells are better protected, another benefit may begin to emerge that many people are actively trying to achieve. For anyone working toward maintaining a healthy weight, nighttime habits can make a surprisingly big difference. One of the biggest challenges many people face is late-night snacking. After dinner, cravings often appear, and that's when unnecessary calories can quietly add up. Because okra contains fiber, it may help increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction. That means you're potentially less likely to reach for sugary snacks or processed foods before bed. Okra water is also naturally low in calories, making it a healthier alternative to many evening beverages. Small choices like these may not seem significant in a single day, but over weeks and months they can contribute to healthier lifestyle patterns. And healthier lifestyle patterns often influence something that's becoming increasingly important in modern health discussions: inflammation. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's defense system, but when it becomes chronic, it may contribute to a variety of health problems. Scientists have spent years studying how nutrition influences inflammation levels throughout the body. Okra contains several plant compounds that may help support a healthy inflammatory response. Many of these compounds overlap with the same antioxidants responsible for protecting cells from oxidative stress. While researchers continue exploring the full extent of these effects, early findings suggest that the nutrients found in okra may play a supportive role in maintaining overall wellness. The key thing to remember is that these benefits don't happen overnight. They're usually the result of consistent healthy habits practiced over time. And that brings us to perhaps the most fascinating benefit of all. When you combine blood sugar support, digestive health, hydration, antioxidants, heart-friendly nutrients, and healthy lifestyle habits, something interesting starts to happen. Your body may become better equipped to perform the recovery processes that naturally occur while you sleep. During the night, tissues are repaired, hormones are regulated, muscles recover, and countless cellular functions take place behind the scenes. Providing your body with hydration and beneficial nutrients before bed may help support these natural processes. This is one reason many people report waking up feeling more refreshed, more comfortable, and more energized after making healthy nighttime choices. Of course, okra water isn't magic, and it certainly isn't a replacement for good nutrition, exercise, or quality sleep. But it may be one more simple tool that helps support your overall health journey. And sometimes, the smallest habits are the ones that create the biggest changes over time. So, what really happens when you drink okra water before bed? As we've seen, this simple drink may help support healthy blood sugar levels, digestion, hydration, heart health, cellular protection, weight management, inflammation control, and even your body's natural overnight recovery process. Of course, it's not a miracle cure, and it's certainly not a replacement for a balanced diet, regular exercise, or quality sleep. But sometimes the most powerful health habits are also the simplest ones. A small change repeated consistently can produce results that add up over time. Now I'm curious to hear from you. Have you ever tried drinking okra water before bed? Would you be willing to give it a try after watching this video? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below because I read as many of them as possible. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health and wellness video. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new